What's up guys? Welcome to my video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you don't know, my name is Yesy Anaí, aka Anaí Artistry on my professional IG. As you can tell by the title, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. All of the products that I used in this video will be down in the description below. Please follow me on social media. I'll go ahead and link both of my Instagrams down below as well. Without further ado, if you'd like to learn how I created this look, then please keep on watching. As always, I'm going to start off by priming my lids using my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Vanilla. For my first color today, I'm going to go in with this darker pink, kind of magenta-y color called Muggle, and that's going to be the deepest color in my halo eye. And remember, since this is a halo eye, the placement is going to be a little bit different than your regular, smoky eye application. It's going to be bold on both the inner and the outer corners of your eye. And making sure there's a lot of pigment on the brush, I'm going to pick it up and place it right in the corner of my eye. Now I do want to build up that color pretty intensely, and I'm going to definitely bring it up pretty high up beyond my crease, and I'm just going to stamp. I'm not going to blend just yet. And with that same brush, I'm going to take more of Muggle, and I'm just going to place it in the inner corner now. Now that those colors are stamped on, I'm going to take the same brush I was using to apply them, and in circular motions, I'm just going to start blending out at the corners of that color. And slowly but surely, you'll see that blend starting to happen. And I am also blending on the inner part of the halo. Now that I've got my halo shape nice and bold, I'm gonna take the next color, which is gonna be Pink Fleet, this pinky color, a little bit lighter than a Muggle, and I'm going to take that and diffuse and blend out the darker pink. It's important to keep in mind to keep the inside of our halo nice and clear for the colors that are gonna come afterwards. I'm gonna take that on a fluffy blending brush and tap the excess on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna go in right to where I blended out Muggle, and I'm just gonna start slowly incorporating that lighter pink tone in with circular motions. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the inner with super light baby pressure. Now that I blended out my lighter pink shade, I'm gonna go back in with my darker color Muggle, and this time I'm using a smaller, more precise blending brush, and I'm just gonna take that color and bring it right back to life again. So right where it originally was, I'm just gonna start repigmenting that area. I've noticed that sometimes when you blend a lighter color into the darker color can really lose its pigment. So this way we are just bringing it back to life and making it bold again. And I'm using a blending brush because I am gonna take that blending brush and just lightly start blending that right into the lighter color that we just blended. So for the inner color, that's gonna be our shimmer. That's gonna be what gives this look some glisten and life. I'm gonna go in with this glitter baby pink reflective color, and it's called 2. Welcome back to 2. So I'm just gonna take that, and I am gonna wet my brush, so I'm just gonna spray it and dip in. Hopefully this gives me the pigment that I need, and I'm just gonna start stamping it right in the middle. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, okay. Take a little bit more. And this time, instead of going straight up the line, I'm just gonna start to go a little bit more freely with it and sort of moving my brush back and forth. And at the top of my lid, I'm just gonna start fanning outwards. And I like to think about it kind of as a triangle. I'm gonna start at the top, the widest at the top, and then I'm gonna try to angle it so it goes thinner and sharper right down here. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that, and I'm literally just gonna start building my triangle like so. And once I have applied that shimmer straight down the line, I can go ahead and start creating my triangle shape. So start widening that glitter at the top and moving in and making sure it stays nice and skinny at the bottom. Good Lord, this looks so glistening and beautiful. So moving on to the bottom shadow, I'm just gonna take those 3 colors, including the shimmer, and really recreate pretty much just the same halo effect from the top that I did at the bottom. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna go in with this white shimmer right here called Welcome, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner and on my brow bone. Now to quickly finish off this eye look, I'm gonna do liner and lashes. And for the liner, I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple. I'm just gonna do a thin line to camouflage the lashes. Okay, now that my eye look is complete, I'm gonna quickly bronze the face. And with my bronzer, I'm just gonna take it with a fluffy brush and just start stamping in that color. And now with a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna quickly, lightly outline my nose. And I do like to go right up to the brow as well, just to create some dimension. For blush, I'm just gonna go in with my trusty Benefit blush bar. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Winter Highlighting Palette. Alright, now for the final touch, and shout out to my little sister Dani for letting me have some of her heart stickers. Alrighty guys, I think that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Other than that, have a good one, take care, and until next time.